We've all been there, staring at a textbook late at night, the words blurring together, feeling like nothing is sticking. The pressure to absorb huge amounts of information can be overwhelming, and traditional study methods often feel inefficient and exhausting. But what if you could fundamentally change that entire process? Imagine having a personal tutor that never gets tired, never judges, and knows your textbook better than you do. A cognitive partner that can instantly clarify complex ideas, test your knowledge, and help you build a rock-solid understanding of any subject. This isn't science fiction, it's what's possible right now. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use GPT 4.5 to study up to 2x faster, step by step. This isn't about shortcuts or cheating, it's about learning more effectively, giving you back time and reducing stress. Discover more in our full video. Let's begin. We'll build a simple, powerful system from the ground up. We'll cover creating intelligent notes, generating instant summaries, building personalized quizzes, and streamlining your exam prep, all powered by AI. By the end, you'll have a repeatable workflow you can adapt for any course. And if you're new here, I'm from AI Crunch. Our mission is to cut through the hype and break down the smartest AI tools, showing you how to actually use them in real life to be more productive and creative. No jargon, just practical strategies. But before we dive in, it's crucial we do this right. Academic integrity is non-negotiable. So first, let's set this up in a way that aligns with ethical guidelines and doesn't get you in trouble with your school or job. Let's begin. Section 1. Setting up GPT 4.5. For studying first, let's get your workspace ready. Open your study materials in one window and GPT 4.5 in another. To ensure the AI is completely focused on your current subject, always start a brand new chat. This prevents context from previous conversations from bleeding over and confusing the model. Now, give the AI its job. Before you paste any of your own material, you need to set a clear role. Type this exact prompt. You are an expert tutor and study partner. Your goal is to help me understand my study materials deeply. Do not provide answers for graded assignments. Focus on explaining concepts, summarizing, and quizzing me. This initial instruction is critical. It does two things. 1. It establishes an ethical boundary, framing the AI as a tool for genuine learning, not for cheating. This is about mastering the material, not just getting answers. 2. It primes the model to act as a specialist, giving you much better, more consistent and educationally sound responses, no matter what subject you're studying. Now, provide the context. Paste in a sample of what you're studying, a page from a textbook, your lecture notes, or an article. Then, use this simple but powerful prompt to get started. Based on the text I've provided, identify the key concepts, provide a bulleted summary, and define any important terms. This setup is your foundation. With these prompts, you've created a powerful and reliable study partner. Now, let's build on this and turn it into a complete, automated study system. Section 2. Turning notes into fast summaries. When you finish a lecture or reading, instead of rewriting everything, paste your notes into GPT 4.5 and use this. This is how you save time. You're not rewriting notes, you're refining them. You can even add. That alone makes your review sessions way faster and stickier. Section 3. Automatic quiz and flashcard generation. Now for active recall, which is where most people fall off. Paste your notes or summary and say, now you're using GPT 4.5 like a live tutor. To turn this into flashcards, add, by the way, if you want my full study prompt template with all of these combined, comment study down below so I know to share it. Section 4. Explaining hard concepts. Step by step. When you hit something confusing, don't just paste the question and hope for a miracle. Use this. Explain it step by step, as if you're teaching me from zero. Now instead of a one-shot answer, you get a mini lesson, example and practice all in one. Section 5. building a weekly study workflow. Now let's put it all together. The key to avoiding last-minute cramming is consistency. This weekly workflow turns AI-powered study into a manageable, repeatable habit. It's a system designed to build understanding day by day, not just before an exam. Here's a simple weekly flow you can copy, broken into 2 parts: your daily tasks and your weekly review. From Monday to Friday, after each class or reading session, immediately process your notes. Step 1. Paste your notes and ask for a concise summary. Save this summary in a dedicated folder for the course. Step 2. Ask for the key concepts and definitions from that lesson. This builds your personal glossary. Step 3. Generate a short quiz for active recall. Answering these questions immediately helps lock in the new information. Then, on Sunday, you'll conduct your weekly review. This is where you connect all the dots. Step 4. Use this powerful prompt. Create a 15-minute review plan for everything we covered this week, prioritized by what's most likely to appear on an exam. The AI will give you a focused, high-impact study agenda. Schedule this 15-minute block directly into your calendar to make it official. Over time, this disciplined process builds an incredible digital library of summaries, quizzes, and explanations you can reuse before tests, interviews, and presentations, ensuring you're always prepared. If you're a student or lifelong learner, GPT-4.5 isn't about doing less thinking. It's about removing the slow, repetitive parts so you can focus on actually understanding. Comment study if you want my full prompt template in one place. And if you want to see how I use AI to save over 6 hours a week on work tasks, watch my video where I test 7 AI tools to automate my entire work week. I'll link it on screen now.